Today we're going to show you how to set up and get started with your new Garmin MARQ Adventurer Gen 2 Damascus Steel Edition Modern Tool Watch. Before getting started, Garmin recommends fully charging your watch before heading out on your adventure. Pro tip: for longer adventures, you can always keep your charging cable handy to charge up on the go. You can even use a UL licensed power bank or connect directly to your compatible smartphone to charge. Now, press and hold the light button to power on your watch. Press the Start-Stop button when ready. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Press the Start-Stop button to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone, scanning this barcode will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning the code will direct you to install the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect app. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account, or select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. The app will begin searching for your device. For new or existing customers, select Connect It when the app recognizes your watch. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to confirm in the Garmin Connect app. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. The default watch face is specific to your MARQ edition, but it can be customized to show data that is important to you. See our Customizing the Watch Face video to learn more. As you first start using the watch, helpful tips will display, enabling you to learn more about the watch. Your MARQ Adventurer Gen 2 Damascus Steel Edition also includes a touchscreen that you can use to operate the watch. For example, you can tap on the screen to enable the backlight. Swiping up or down allows you to scroll through pages. Covering the screen with your palm will return to the watch face and disable the backlight. To learn more about using your touchscreen, see the owner's manual at support.garmin.com. Your MARQ edition is custom tailored to your adventuring passion and includes a shortcut to quickly access the orienting app for navigating to a set heading. To open the shortcut, press and hold the Start-Stop button. See our Customizing Controls and Shortcuts video to learn more about available shortcuts. To get to your activity list, press the Start-Stop button. By default, your MARQ edition will have preset activity lists that mirror your passion. However, selecting Add at the bottom of the list allows you to add more activities. Simply scroll through the list and select the activity you want to add by pressing the Start-Stop button. Next, confirm where you want to place it on your list. Then repeat this process to add other activities. To open an activity, press the Start-Stop button. Once GPS has been acquired, press the Start-Stop button again to start the activity. And that's it. Your Garmin MARQ Adventurer Gen 2 Damascus Steel Edition is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.